We get Comrade Abiodun Aremu when we tell you now say he go join us. Now he be the secretary of Joint Action Front. Comrade, good evening and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good evening, as I hear you, the hot.
Well done, sir. Make we don't waste time. Make we just go straight into the discussion so that all the people went on the wait since then go hear all the thing when you get to talk about Nigerian workers. Yesterday, on May 1st, and Nigerian workers they come out, they wear ashwebi, they begin to sing solidarity forever. So people come and talk say every May 1st inside this country, no be celebration, no. Say na sober reflection because Nigerian workers then they cry. Their belly no they sweet them at all. The shoe when they wear for leg, the thing they pinch them. I won't ask you, May 1st inside the Bodo Nigeria with the condition of Nigerian workers, na celebration, I be na sober reflection.
Let me just say that fella sang this song long time ago, suffering and smiling.
Hey.
Situation where we did today, na situation where we say workers in Nigeria, you think well. But the situation no good at all. You remember I said never reach 1 month. Wait for insecurity, claim the life of some of the leaders of the workers from the Trade Union Congress of Nigeria. General Secretary of that union will be part of those who for lead the protest of yesterday. So when Nigerian workers wear shobi, wear all those things, it's good. But why we they celebrate self? Why we know they think in terms of what to do? Because today, people will collect salary itself. That salary no be for their own, no. Now for every. Because people wait they outside, we no get work, they plenty. Today, those we normally call workers in training, that is students, all apprenticeship, who are not yet working and earning income, we call them workers in training. All our universities don't close down. Those are future workers of tomorrow. Close to 2 months now, universities are not open. Over what? Over conditions of environment of work. So for union, 2 things they union though. There's what we call condition of service.
Okay.
Now we take the salary we go dey inside your pocket. The allowance we go dey collect. But the one where they most important is the conditions of the environment of working. Now that kind one, the university people ASU, NASUs and all that they fighting.
Comrade,
because it's like fun.
Comrade, I beg you no go vex so. What we go just do be say we know say you get plenty things to talk as they concern this matter so, but we go just beg you say make you just give us small 60 seconds. We get somebody when we say in call don't enter inside our telephone line. If they call us all the way from Taraba, you know say Taraba far. Make we hear what you get to talk before we continue with you after we don't lock the phone line. Our Taraba brother, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Hello, thank you so much, my brother, Nkubi and Ezuguwu Chukwudi.
We greet you.
I appreciate you for coming back to this program.
We appreciate you,
one
David.
of my program why I like so much. Hello?
Yeah, we hear you, David.
So I want like talk much for this matter where we go and discuss today.
Quickly, 30 seconds.
This issue of our workers issue. I did read something some days back where they say Governor Erufa of Kaduna State, the celebrities in China will graduate for abroad. So take picture and put it in the team. I thought that this kind of people will say their children abroad in the study, their children no So that will not even disturb them. Even if they like the children living in Nigeria, if they like need them days for one. And look at what the situation of teachers even in Kaduna. Because he said the man no get attention because most of them, their children know they are abroad. Look at insecurity everywhere. You know they safe for roads, you know they safe for airport, even for train taxi, you know even safe. So, and even unemployment, look at the rate of people they graduate from school every day and unemployment. You can't match them because unemployment, if they multiply fast, even the way they graduate. So you see, the thing is no balance at all. Only God will see efforts.
Very true. Oga David, you don't talk so that only God will see efforts for inside this our country. But we'll come back to Comrade Abiodun Aremu. Comrade, you've been they talk something before I collect that talk for your mouth. We could just allow you finish that particular one before my brother Nkubi go drop the next question. Will they hear you, Comrade?
The thing where they talk, say, you see the Workers' Day, that one we call May Day.
Yes.
It came out of struggle. Because before, workers no get condition under which they work. They go work so tey until they quench itself. Now so the employer do. So now struggle where we say we be human being. 9 workers did about 136 years ago. The example of what we call the Chicago workers in United States of America. Now that kind of struggle where some workers died, some workers were in prison. Say we be human beings, we not go allow this kind of work and quench to happen again. Now I bring what we call condition of service. Now I bring better condition for environment of work. And I be say no worker should work more than 8 hours per day, 5 times in a week. Any work where any worker do beyond those hours, now they call overtime. You see, at another condition dey because people where they work in different places. Some work where they say na chemical they use. Some where they work where they say na gases na they use. So worker must get what they call protective cover. Whether for nose, even some work in noisy environment. And all these things they affect health of workers. So it's always very important. So for workers, particularly all over the world, when you talk of May Day, not be those where they work for under NSC, have been at TUC alone. Now all category of working people and those who are not working.
True.
Because those who are working now, when they get to work, at the same condition to go apply very to true. Them. That is why when they do May Day in some countries now like carnival. Carnival to the street to educate people. This is how they are suffering now. This is how they are doing. Like when Nigeria takes day today, the kind of May Day we should have to be May Day that to bring out every student, every parent, every worker, and those who are not working. Say this system where they suffer or don't do, we must not be about the election. Because part of our problem is say election don't become army arrangement as Baba Fela speak about long time ago. Because all these 4-4 year thing army arrangement. Arrangement could they give us hope. Arrangement to the suffer us. Okay. You must ask how minister they get 100 million to go and collect ordinary form. Those who want do election, they want to become president. Where they get all those money come from?
Very important question. Now you don't ask, Comrade too.
Thank you very much, Comrade Abiodun. I beg, just still hold on. We'll get somebody with their telephone line right now. Joseph, maybe we'll quickly respond to Joseph's call and we'll come back to you with another question. Joseph, good evening.
Yeah, this is Joseph Amuka calling from Enugu.
Okay.
Yes, I want to make a contribution about the welfare of Nigerian workers.
Continue, we dey hear you.
Okay. I ask this question. Are Nigerian workers moving forward or backward? Why I say this is because by 1981, the least paid Nigerian workers were receiving $160 a month. Today, the least paid Nigerian worker is receiving $73 a month. Is that a movement forward or a movement backward? So, the Minister of Labour was saying yesterday that they are interested in welfare of the workers. Welfare of the workers, does it mean moving forward or moving backward? It's a very deep question. So we ask ourselves all these things. Are Nigerian workers better off today?
Okay, Joseph, now question you carry come. They ask whether Nigerian workers they move forward or they move backward. We'll take one more call. Yes. From there, we'll go lock our telephone line so that our Ogbonge visitor go fit talk, enter inside where. And will they hear you, Oga Paul?
Yes. So I'm saying that Nigerian workers are moving backward. We are moving backward. We are getting impoverished day in, day out compared to what happened about 40 years ago. That is just my own contribution.
Thank you very much, Oga Joseph, for that contribution. At least you don't throw that question down. And then, Comrade Abiodun.
They hear you.
Yes, okay, moving forward there, make we also bring this question to the matter. Okay, the whole, just in the course of your conversation, you talk, say, the reason why May, that is May celebration come at that because of the kind of challenges and suffering where workers they go through over time. Okay, bringing that to the Nigerian system, it just like say, the same problems where they go through, just like say, we never still see a far-fetched solution to them. Okay, as labor union and as a member of the labor system, what be that thing when they also they push for? So to ensure say, una get a day when I go celebrate. When they say after I celebrate, I'm to say yes. So this year they celebrate Labor Day, when I celebrate May Day. No too much begin, no too much wahala. What be that approach? Those steps when they take to ensure I get this particular moment of celebration.
You see, there is no struggle without pains. There is no struggle without sacrifices. Whatever we enjoy in this country, na measure of the struggle where we do. When you not do that struggle, you will not get gain with which to struggle, with which to talk of celebration. Make I give you an example for this Obodo, Nigeria. Before they declare May Day a public holiday, workers they celebrate May Day. As a matter of fact, na state government of Kano under Abubakar Aremu in 1980 first declared May Day as public holiday. Now the following year for 81, now the NPN Shagari government declared it also public holiday. So whether there is public holiday or not, workers must celebrate public holiday. But make I tell you something. In 1981, May 1st, the Azan Sumanu led Nigerian Labour Congress president. That day, the government
it be like say network somehow the leg of network they shake. But from all the things where we say Comrade Abiodun Aremu don't talk, I dey very sure say everybody inside the whole Nigeria don't know say Nigerian workers don't come a very long way. Remember, no be just May 1st, 2022. By God's grace, so if all of us are alive, we'll get 2023. We'll get other years ahead of us. What will be the condition of Nigerian workers? How Nigerian workers them go take face all these challenges when we say that they face, and how them go take improve. Comrade Abiodun Aremu na person will be say, by the grace of God, we go they give them invitation, making they come on top of As E Dey Hot, because they talk matter we concern Obodo Nigeria. Comrade, we know say time not really day like that, but we thank you. Say you even make out time, say, oh yeah, May 1st, make we come sit down to discuss the issue of Nigerian workers. Today will be the first day when we carry As E Dey Hot come back. We appreciate you. May God continue to give you more wisdom so that work when you do with joint action front, the action will always show for front. Thank you.